Hello everyone, it's Karen Nelson, aka the Designer in Jeans. It is Friday. I am so excited for the weekend this week. We have been working so hard the last 4 weeks to prepare an Airbnb to get it out for clients so they could get it listed. And today were the photos. I've heard it turned out really well. I was actually at another appointment, so I was unable to make the photo shoot, but I'm really excited to see the photos and to show you guys once it's out there. Today, because this last few weeks has been insane, I was unable to shoot anything to be back on a schedule where I'm showing you new stuff. But I did have some pre-recorded video that I would love to show you. I had videotaped this because we were so honored to be in the Parade of Homes this year during Christmas, and I wanted to record that footage. So I went the day after everyone had toured, and I did a video of what our home looked like for the Parade of Homes. I'm super excited to be in it. It was kind of like a bucket list for me, super exciting. So I am going to just insert that old footage here so you can get a tour of my home. And of course, we do not always have the Christmas stuff up. That has been put away for months. But enjoy. So here is our front door. We picked out, right when we moved in, we wanted to put a little more light into the house. So the pink color I selected for this was Sherwin-Williams Cloudburst. Okay, here's the view as you enter. You hear the train in the background there. So here's your view. This is my office. You can see here, Design with Your Diamond Mind. And this is one of the more modern rooms that we have. I wanted this room to be a little more fun, a little more inspiring color-wise. So as you can see, I picked these canvases that have a ton of color to them. Here's some chairs so we can look out in the morning. Designer in Jeans, if you want to follow me on Instagram. Here's our zebra print rug and kind of the view looking this way at the office as well. Okay, back down the hallway. This right here is just a hallway closet. And yesterday for the tour of homes, I just kind of did little write-ups so they could follow through if no one was giving them the tour. This is our living room and our dining space. Backup view here. I'm not making anybody sick. Okay, so here's our Christmas tree. Everything on here is decorated with ornaments that either are sentimental or were made for us. All of the wood ornaments were cut out by my father. He does a fantastic job. And then all the cloth ornaments are from my mother. She makes these as well, the embroidery. Gorgeous. And then the tree skirt is a family heirloom, which is actually just a quilt top from my grandmother that's unfinished, so I bring it out every Christmas. And then here's our decor for the mantle and our faux fireplace. And then our egg chair here, and then the hand-rendered Eiffel Tower that we have from my father-in-law. And then here is just some of the decor for our dining room. And then here's the kitchen. Okay. Trying so hard not to make y'all sick. Couple different angles, okay? And this right here, this is our coffee bar, and of course our little record player that we just got, which I'm in love with. We also have this screened in back patio. It's where we can kind of come out and sit and have coffee and avoid the Texas mosquitoes. There's our little view here. one of the key points here is that canvas art there with the hands, that's 4 generations of hands. So that's my grandmother, my mother, myself, and my daughter. It's just one of those heartwarming, sentimental pieces I have. I tend to decorate more with those. Here's some pictures, bubble pictures of our family, just having fun. Okay, so here, when you step over this threshold, this used to be an unfinished garage, but my husband was able to refinish this for us. And this is now my laundry room. And that's the door to a little apartment we have attached. So here's I'm in love with this wallpaper. You can pick that up at Home Depot. And then we have here, these sliding doors are actually storage behind, and it's an IKEA bookshelf that we built in. So you have a ton of storage back here. And then we opted for the stackable washer and dryer. And these are really nice. They're LG thin Q, and they're still very deep. So it's like having 2 full size. And I'll give you a glance in here. So this is just like complete storage. It goes up really high. And my husband actually just built it in. So it would look like one big unit here. And here's the other view. Should come in. Kind of a tight, it's a narrow room, but it's perfect for what it is. We did all the flooring. I'm actually gonna have another video on this, the transformation. And then again, this is the living room, or the dining room. Into the living room. Okay. Trying so hard to walk where nobody gets sick. Okay, so here's the view for our hallway. The entrance to our house is right there. So the first room we're gonna come up to is our workout room, yoga, weights. This is this room. There is a really pretty piece of artwork I can show you in here. Picked up a few years ago. Okay. And then you can kind of see my master bedroom back there. Oh, this room, if you're interested, the color in here is, see with me, it's SW2819 Dawning Slate. It's a Sherwin-Williams color. And then here is our craft room, creative room. Our daughter does cosplay. So she can do, those are some pictures of stuff she's done, turn herself into avatar. She can do the full body paint. So here's the room that, you know, we keep the costumes and we do different creative things in here. And that's our chalkboard wall. And here's our sweet cat. Hi, Dauntless. She loves it. We just got these chairs and she's in here all the time. This is her happy space. Close up of the rug. Okay. And then we have our guest bath here. And all I did here was just change. I added some of the pops of blue. As you can see, oh, the litter box, I did put that back. Sorry, we live here. And then I also have that beautiful mirror on that navy blue wall as well. Okay, watch your eyes. Okay, lastly, this is our master bedroom. This color was inspired from a trip to Sedona that we made a few years ago, and we just love it, the serenity of that place. So I decided to bring the color here and pull it through, of course, with the navy blue. And then we have, that's just a closet over there. We have our master bath, and then this little corner, which I'll get a better view of. Here is the color, if you like it. It's SW7701 Cavern Clay. And again, that's another Sherwin-Williams color. Let me see. Oh, that's a cute little shot there. Seeing through the back there, through the mirror. me get a further back picture for you. So you can see this corner. There you go. And this is kind of a fun thing to do when you have a corner, just to kind of carry some mirrors across. Gives a little more dimension and incorporates both walls versus putting two pieces of art side by side there or leaving it blank. This. Let's have a bench in the corner over there. And then we have the two matching end tables and this beautiful bed. And turn you around. This bathroom, the lighting's not going to be that great, so turn the fan on, you'll hear it, but it's one switch for both. But here's our bathroom, and it does have a standalone shower here, which I cannot get in the view, but a shower, and of course, excuse me, I'm trying to sneeze. Okay, so here's the tour of our house. Lastly, this is a door that we just installed. We're switching them from these doors over here. The whole house has these doors, and we're switching them out to the more modern looking of the two square, just to kind of freshen it up a little bit. We bought this house about 1.5 years ago, so we've done a ton of painting and little things as we get ready. And well, little, I say a laundry and a apartment build, so we've been busy. Well, thank you so much. It was a total honor and bucket list for me to be involved in the Parade of Homes. Something I've kind of always wanted to try, and it was amazing and it did not disappoint. We had a huge turnout and I'm so excited. The money went to help women who are trying to become teachers for schooling, and it also went to a women's shelter. So I'm very happy to be a part of something like that and to open up our home for that. Hope you love the tour. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.